Hi, it's Matt again at Otinus. We're here at the June 3rd open house. We've got a bunch of people here seeing demonstrations, visiting with each other, hearing all about our fabulous metal fabrication machinery behind me here. We're going to do some demonstrations on our fiber laser cutter with rotary tube.
I'm James Marlowe, Commercial Manager for North America with MaxPhotonics, and we are proud manufacturers of these laser sources. We're extremely happy to partner with Otinus in the United States and Canada to expand Otinus' presence in this excellent market. As proof of goodwill and appreciation of our partnership with Otinus, we recently presented this certificate or distribution showing our interest in growing and expanding our partnership in the United States and Canada with Otinus. We're very proud of this relationship.
Don't forget, we'll see you all next week up in Toronto at the Toronto Congress Center, FabTech 2026.
Otinus, we serve you.